Hey, what up? This is Ethan from HUSDOM. Behind me is our GN-150B CNC ID grinder with dual internal grinding spindle. About the GN-150B, the main body of this machine is import from Taiwan, included the iron cast machine bed, the workhead spindle, 2 grinding spindles, HIWIN ball screws, and NSK guideways. All those key parts are already assembled. Here in Ningbo, we will finish the final work. We install the hydraulic, pneumatic, lubrication systems, servo motors, electric cabinet, and also the machine control system. Then, we do the final adjustment, testing, and commissioning to make sure the machine is ready for delivery. Okay, about the key specs. The maximum x-axis travel is 250 millimeters, and the maximum z-axis travel is 500 millimeters. This machine can hold overall accuracy within 3 microns, repeat positioning accuracy within 2 microns. The surface finish can reach RA.2. It supports a maximum grinding diameter of 200 millimeters and 150 millimeters for the grinding dips. And we also have another ID grinder called 150A. It's everything like this machine, but only have 1 internal spindle. It's also a very nice machine, but for real production, 2 internal grinding spindles brings a lot of more flexibility. And for example, in real production, you can use 1 spindle for rough grinding and other one for finish grinding. It helps the whole process more efficient. And you also can use 1 spindle to finish the internal diameter grinding. And another one you can use for chamfering, groving, or other grinding operations. For some parts, you also can use 1 spindle to finish the internal diameter grinding, and another one used for the external. So just use your imagination. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Subscribe us. I will be really appreciated.